Commissioner. I have engaged all the regional directors of education this morning, and they have also given me assurance that we are good. In Wajir, though there was some little rains last night, we are adequately deployed, and we have a number of choppers there. Marsabit also, there was some little rain, but again, we have also deployed helicopters into that region, so that no child misses an opportunity. We are aware there are some few schools who may not have registered some children, and we know it is a serious offense not to register children for examinations. We have already directed our officers to make sure that this is properly investigated, communicated, necessary action can be taken. We have already arrested a teacher who had 10 accounts with social media. And that's why I'm very grateful to our colleagues in the security sector. The DCI, we are working very closely with the Communication Authority and the whole system, the cybercrime team. We are working with all of them. And I can assure you that we have cornered these fellas. There is nowhere they can go this time round. And we shall not allow anybody to mess up our children. And that's why we are working as a multi-agency team to ensure the security of our children is protected.